In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I reposition after sewing the first few passes of my edge to edge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to advance the quilt onto my take-up leader until I have about 2 or 3 inches of the quilt that I have already sewn showing in front of the dead bar. Then I'm going to move my sew head to a spot on that quilt, right, that I can see, usually at the bottom of a row on a point, somewhere in the middle of the quilt. Now you can see that I have short crosshairs, and in my opinion, when I have short crosshairs, that is my sew head, exactly where my sew head is. Vertically, I'm in the correct position, but I need to be down here. In my opinion, again, when I come to the reposition tool, I have a long, short crosshair. Now, the long, short crosshair becomes a reposition tool. It does not depict my sew head. So I'm going to click right here because I like to have the reposition box in sight as I magnify my screen. So I'm going to use the roller on my screen, keeping the reposition box in sight. If I need to move the screen up, I'm going to hold the roller down and pull it up, and then I'm going to roll the roller away from me. Hold the roller down, pull it, okay, until the screen won't get any larger. You can see that my reposition box is pretty close to where I need to be, but my crosshair is not. So what I need to do is come to the reposition tool and click reset. Now I'm going to move my mouse to the spot on the screen where my sew head is on the pattern, and it's right there. And you can see that my crosshair is not in the correct position at this point. Click. When I come to apply, my crosshair will jump over. When I say done, come to full view, my crosshair is now my sew head again and is no longer a reposition tool. So I am ready to sew the next 3 rows because you can see that my sew zone is now surrounding the rows that need to be sewn instead of the rows I've already sewn.